What healthy skin needs. Want healthy, glowing and naturally clear skin? Want to get rid of acne and bring out your real beauty? Well, if you do, then you're in the right place, because today we're going to talk about some of the best ways you can make your skin perfect naturally. More on that in a second. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you can stay updated with our latest uploads. Now without further ado, let's get started. 1. Drink more water. Water is the substance of life. Drinking 8 glasses of water a day is the one secret tip to get clear skin that no one will tell you. Drinking loads of water helps your body detoxify itself and get rid of harmful chemicals. It also helps rejuvenate and revitalize your skin to give it that extra glow and softness. Drink more water if you want better skin. A great life hack when it comes to skincare is drinking lukewarm water mixed with a fresh lime when you wake up in the morning. This gets rid of all the harmful toxins and makes your skin so much better. 2. Reduce your sugar intake. White sugar is essentially poison given how much it contributes to obesity, but did you know that various studies have proven that it is actually bad for your skin too? Yes. White sugar makes your skin break out and gives you acne if you're not careful. Cutting sugar from your diet is the one change you need to make right now. This is not only great for your skin but also helps your body perform better. Instead of white sugar that's refined with tons of harmful chemicals, you should use cane sugar or even honey. Honey is natural and full of antioxidants that revitalize your skin cells. Applying a honey mask on your skin once a week will get rid of dark circles and blemishes. 3. Doing yoga. Yoga helps you keep your mental health in check and brings peace to your mind. Taking care of their mental health is one of the best things someone can do. Your mental health is linked to every part of your body. When you're depressed or stressed, the stress hormones your body releases aren't good for your skin or your health. With yoga you can achieve mental peace, which will not only help you be so much happier but also give you flawless skin. Yoga also increases blood circulation to your face and skin, letting the cells renew themselves and repair damage. Add yoga to your routine today to get the beautiful skin you always dreamed of. 4. Improving your sleeping and eating habits. Your sleeping and eating habits can make or break your skincare routine. If you want flawless clear skin, you need to sleep at least 7 to 8 hours a day. Your body needs this rest, and it is during this time that your organs get to rest and repair themselves. If your body doesn't get the sleep it needs, harmful chemicals start accumulating in the body. These chemicals then attack and ruin your skin. Eating habits are just as important, and adding natural fruits and vegetables into your diet can absolutely change your body. Oily foods, sugars and fats all are extremely harmful for your skin and cause acne to develop and worsen. If you suffer from acne, you should remove all oily foods from your diet and switch to a more green and balanced diet. Follow all these tips to get better, healthier and more polished skin. There you have it. If you're more curious about healthy skin, please be sure to check the link in the description down below. And make sure to like this video and subscribe for daily contents. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video.